Do not say, I do not speak French, and I will explain why. When you say, I do not speak French, it is quite negative. And the person in front of you doesn't know if you don't speak French because you don't want to learn, or because it's too difficult, or because you haven't had the time to take French classes yet. If you say things differently, it will completely change the quality of your communication. Don't say, I don't speak French. Say, I am learning French. Can you repeat more slowly, please? If you say, I'm learning French, first, you show that you are willing in communication. You want to communicate with others. You make efforts. You are learning. You are in the process. You haven't finished learning yet. And then people will be more receptive to helping you.
You ask for help. I am learning French.
Help me, please. If you repeat slowly, I can understand. The person will feel valued, will feel positive about helping someone who is learning French. Of course, there are people in France and in other French-speaking countries who are not friendly, who are not patient. Those people, in any case, will always react the same way. Whether we say, I don't speak French, or we say, I'm learning French, but it's a small portion of people. The majority of people, when you say, I'm learning French, will be able to help you, will be more receptive. So start now. The next time you go to a store, to an office, so when you talk with several French-speaking people in any country where you live, whether it's in Switzerland, France, Belgium, Canada, Congo, Algeria, Morocco, say, I'm learning French. Help me, please. I am learning French. Repeat, please, and you will see that your experience will completely change. Write in the comments if you have tried this technique and what the results were. I am very curious to read your response.